Hey, I'm Rebecca from the blog and YouTube channel Moon and Magnolia, and I am really excited to announce the new community membership option for YouTube viewers. This is a space for us to hang out and build community and for you to get some pretty sweet perks along the way too, like early access to my videos, a monthly Q&A video, and a private community board where you can ask questions, help each other out, support each other, and of course, have a good time. Also in the community, I'll be sharing some sneak peeks about my blogs and also some of my favorite products too. This is a space for us to hang out and connect about all the things we do around Moon and Magnolia. Homemaking, suburban homesteading, sourdough, scratch cooking, gardening, food preservation, and beyond. It's $2.99 a month to join, and you can cancel at any time, so there is no commitment. The money that I earn from the membership will go right back into providing more free content for you on YouTube and on my blog and within the community itself. I can't wait to connect with you and to hang out, and I look forward to seeing you in the community soon.